Ban penlong yagi kena Pule ban tip Iaka jing sultanat ban Trei yagi kam ki jam Hadien bakilala ban pendap yagi jing Pule baper jongki ka office jong deputy commissioner ke Riboh district ha ka jing Trei lang bat ke Institute of Hotel Management Shillong mentak singi kila penlong ya ke program ya ke bala khot kerpang yagi kena school ke bala sedang ban poi yagi kerdan ban tip ya ke lenti ban Jied yagi jing Pule ban poi sya ke jing trikam trijam da geno ke jat jing Trei ke bagi sultanat ban Trei anda ha bagi lala ban pendap ya ke jing Pule jongki ha gini kesengi la yok ru ya ke jing peni da ke jing thok ke bala pen kre lepa ha ke jen screen khenang bakan pensuk ya ke kena school ban syai ha ke jing batai ba kumno kin tip ban Jied ke kam ke bagi Trei Hadien habot da ke bawan ra ru ya ke jing ajing mod bat ke jing keran mar keliang bat ke kena school nalor jong kita kena school ke belawan sengap ya gini ke program lai don lang ru additional deputy commissioner ke district uba MB Tongper lembat ki nongwan ai jing hikai ke bakan thup ya ikong Jolin langsti baru ba syam phang khong la bat uwe no hikai school ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School Nongpo uba A1 Swet bat kiwe
Career counseling is very, very important in today's world. Okay, I wish I had this sort of counseling when I was in my school days. You know, how many of you have heard of Albert Einstein? You've heard, right? Okay, you know, there's one saying, he said, everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will think its whole life that it's stupid. Think about that. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will think its entire life to be stupid. What does that mean? It means a fish should not be on land, right? It should be on water. So similarly, we all have different skill sets. We all have different talents, right? So there's this uniformity in our society where we all go for one particular profession. Everybody wants to be one particular, everybody wants to be a doctor, everybody wants to be an engineer, right? Where the mass goes, we all goes there. We don't know our own skills, right? So this is where career counseling comes into the picture. And we're living in today's world where there's so much technology. All of you are using WhatsApp, right? You know about WhatsApp, about Facebook, right? Now there's a new software called ChatGPT. Have you heard of that? There's the next generation software. So we all have to be techno-savvy.
We have one of the largest number of best hotel management institutes in the country. Okay, we are ranked 14th by the CEO globally, all over the world. Our IHM is ranked 14th, imagine, globally, all over the world. Then you also have career opportunities in IHM. One of them being that we have come back as a teaching faculty in IHM. There's just one of them. I will show you in the slides, so you'll see what are different career opportunities and also the pamphlets which we have given you. Okay? There as well, it has been mentioned all the different aspects which are there in hotel management and how to go about it and what are different career prospects for you there. So, our IHM Shillong is a premier institute which has been started up in 2002. Till 2013, we were there near Bishop Cotton Road. And 2013, we have shifted to our own campus in Mount Kasiang, Mount Dieng. Okay, our campus is 21 acres. Okay, we have a faculty accommodation, hostel facility there as well for students from who are not from town. And we also have students who are from Shillong who are staying with us as well because it's easier to commute and we'll be giving you lots and lots of assignments. Okay, so you have to work all day. If you travel, only you will lose time, and more or less it is a group team research or team assignments which you'll be doing. So you'll be needing to stay together with them. So different courses which we offered. The first, we will see that the 3 years BSc in hospitality and hotel administration. Please don't be scared with the nomenclature of BSc. Okay. These courses are open for all the students from any stream. Doesn't mean that just because the nomenclature shows BSc, only science students can join. Okay? So arts students can join, your commerce students can join. I was a commerce student, I did it. Ma'am was an art student, she joined hotel management. Okay? So from any background, you can join. More so, now we also have the non-vegetarian course and a specialized vegetarian courses. Okay, 3 years BSc in HNHA in vegetarian course. More so, especially in our state, you must be thinking, why is a vegetarian course? Initially, there were only 3 institutes, okay, which were given the choice of starting the vegetarian course. One of them is IHM Bhopal. And now our institute also has been entrusted with the course to start the vegetarian course here. You will say again, why is a vegetarian? We are all non-vegetarians here. But you would know that maximum of the tourists who come to our state are vegetarians. They come to our state, they end up eating what? They end up eating Maggi. Isn't it? They go to any sightseeing spot, they have nothing to eat because they go to any Kong Khasi shop, especially Perdasau here, you know which one, right?
Yeah.
The shop there, you will see, oh, I think they'll faint. Dot jam, dot shine, dot this, dot, they will faint. They won't dare to go there. And if you see other shops, you will see only the dhabas. Again, the dhabas will be serve you all butter chicken, chicken tikka and all that you won't be able to have. So, they will go and eat in these dairies that which are not clean also. So, here sir, you have a very famous vegetarian restaurant which is working better than anyone else in terms of tourists, right? Do you know which vegetarian restaurant? Jiva Veg. Imagine who would thought of opening a veg restaurant in Tongper, and the person did it and is working. Every tourist which comes who is a vegetarian will go. Even we are not vegetarians also, I want to go eat there for a change. Okay, so these are all career opportunities for you to even look and learn more. Not only your non-vegetarian items, but there is a specialized course, okay, where you can learn only about vegetarian. Everything is vegetarian. Your kitchens will be vegetarian. Utensils used will be vegetarian. Faculty might not be vegetarian, okay?
People to join so that more opportunities will be open for you along with the generation to come. Right? Again, as already mentioned by my colleague Mr. Shabha, right? IHM, what we teach is the 4 major departments. Okay? So we have 4 major departments. The first one is the front office department. Right? You've heard about front office, reception. Okay? Like when a guest comes, what do? Josephine ma'am mentioned, right? You welcome the guest. Okay, that is the first department, front office. The second department is your housekeeping department, right? Which takes care of arranging the guest room, right? You've seen how the beds are being arranged. It's not an easy task to just go and clean. We have standards to be followed whereby all the beds have to have a procedure to be arranged, right? That's why you see very well clean beds in 5-star hotels. Right? And also the cleanliness of the entire hotel, okay, that is being managed by the housekeeping department. Okay? The third department is the food production department, which deals with cooking. So generally what we do is we get students coming in the first semester whereby they say that we want to be a chef. Why did you join IHM? Because we want to be a chef. You all know what a chef is? Yeah. What does the chef do? Cook food, right? So apart from being chef, it's not that IHM is not only dealing with chef. Okay? We train you in all these 4 major departments. Okay? Again, food production is about chef in food production. Again, first semester we teach you on all the continental dishes. Okay? Like French cooking, cuts of vegetables, how to make soup. Right? And basic dishes. In your second semester, we teach you how to make all the non-vegetarian items and vegetarian items based on continental cuisine, French cuisine, okay? Then in your third semester, the syllabus is teaching you on quantity training kitchen. You have to cook in bulk, okay? Like you have to cater to weddings, to banquet, right? You have to cook more than 200 people. So we also train you in your third semester on the bulk cooking. right? And Indian, only Indian in your third semester, right? And again, fourth semester, you will be exposed to the hotel industry, whereby you will go to the hotel and get the exposure and to see how the operation in hotel actually is, how it operates, right? For 17 weeks. In your fifth and sixth semester again, in the food production, again is a multi-cuisine. So you've learned your French, you've learned your Indian, now it's about multi-cuisine. What is multi-cuisine? Food from all over. Right, so this syllabus in food production is like that, okay? Then the last department is your food and beverage. Right? Now you understand what is food and beverage? Yeah? Yes or no? Yeah. So food and beverage deals with service of your food along with your beverages. That includes alcohol and non-alcoholic too. It's not only about alcohol, but even non-alcoholic, like you have your mocktails, right? Your tea or coffee. All those will be taught in your F&B department. Right? Since here we have the advantage of being so hospitable, right? We know how to interact with the guests. It comes very naturally. We don't have to study too much on that because we were born and brought up at home, right? And our parents have trained us how to behave in front of guests. It comes naturally, and plus communication. I think your school is an English medium school, right? Yeah, so we have the plus point on your English and communication too. Okay? So apart from this, I think now you have an idea what this course is all about. Right? Apart from that, we also have syllabus in nutrition, right? Accounts, hotel engineering, right? So these are all basics so that later when you pass IHR, you'll be able to understand, you'll be able to manage the hotel.